guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some hairstyles my mother makes every day. So come here now, it's time to start. For the first hairstyle, my mother is making a line in the middle, but this time we're doing it differently. We're doing a zigzag so my hair can look more pointy. This will make my hair look a little more edgy and funky. Now she grabs my hair and makes it a ponytail. Since both of my ponytails are ready, it's time to add some accessories. You can add any type of accessories. I'm just adding some of these accessories because I have them, or you could even put accessories that you have at home. How's my hair looking? So, time for the next hairstyle. For this hairstyle, we are making a side parting and small pigtails. I made 4 pigtails because my hair is short. You can do it any way you want, less or more according to the length. So now it's time to flip each of them over. So grab the ponytails, pull them out just like my mama is doing. So you can leave it like that, or you could add some hair accessories like I am doing. Grab all the ponytails and pull them back. And add whatever hair accessory you have to add. What do you think about it, guys? How do I look? Isn't it so easy to do? For the next hairstyle, we'll be using a donut. Step, grab all your hair and make a ponytail. I'm making it higher. You can make it whatever you like. Take the donut and pull your hair out of it. Something like this. After that, you spread your hair all around. Put a rubber band to secure it in. Just press it down to make it look tidy. After that, grab all the hairs that are remaining, put them around the bun just like we are doing. So once you're done, secure them with bobby pins. Use as much as pins as you need to make your bun look good and tidy. And a tidy bun will stay for longer. Just tidy up all the hair and let's start accessorizing. You can add the crown or the bow. You can add any accessory on the front, or you could also add an accessory on the back. So we are on to the next hairstyle. 2 strands of hair from behind the ear. Start twisting them, adding more hair all around your head, just like we are doing. Very soon it will start looking like you are wearing a crown. It's a very good hairstyle for summer because it keeps your hair away from your neck and face. Once you're at the end, just tie them up with a hairband and pin them up on top of your hair. Hair accessories to hide the rubber band. How do I look? Don't I look pretty, guys? For the next hairstyle, we will be making a bump on the crown of my head, and we will be using a bump it for the same. So once you stick the bump it on top of the hair, pull all the hairs back very nicely to give your hair a height. Secure them with pins just like we are doing. We have 2 crowns, golden and silver, and we will be using the silver one today. Once your hair is ready and secure, place the tiara at the right place and secure it with bobby pins. Oh, I feel like a princess in this. Don't I look good? Can we curl the remaining hair? It's going to look good. The next hairstyle, we are also parting our hair in the middle. Parting is done. Grab all the hair from one section, put them in a clutcher to keep them away. We will be working on the other section for now. So for the other section, we'll be making Dutch braids. Grab 3 strands of hair from the front. Start making like a normal choti. You have to keep adding more hair from both the sides, and rather than going over the center, you have to go under the center. You can see how my mother is doing, and you can do it the same way. So once you're at the end, you have to tie it with a rubber band. And you have to repeat on the other section as well. And this hairstyle is perfect for school as well. Don't I look good? See how pretty it looks. Okay guys, so this was it. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching my video just as much as I did. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another fun video for you guys. Till then, bye bye. Pop up.